Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm showing you a very inexpensive but chic way of creating a background for promotional pictures for any product that you may sell, but of course, we're selling candles over here. You are going to need a sign of some visual interest. I picked up this sign from Dollar Tree maybe about 2 years ago. You're also going to need some LED lights. You can get whichever ones you want, or you can skip this step. This is totally optional. Decorate it how you want. These have a little octagon shape to them and they're pink, so I figured it'd be good for Valentine's Day. Also picked up some table scatter, again from Dollar Tree. These are just some glitter pink and red hearts. And last but not least, you may want to pick up a balloon weight. This was already decorated and ready to go for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. First poster board you're going to leave flat, but the second poster board you're going to want to fold. And I think I tried to zoom in. It's really hard to show things that are white on white, but what you're going to want to do is fold your poster board probably into maybe like thirds. It might not be thirds, but basically you want to fold it so that that second poster board that you're folding can stand up and act as a backdrop. And I'm still folding. Still folding, guys. Still folding. Yeah, I'm still folding. I was trying really hard to make my creases like really tight. I didn't want to get wrinkles, but here we are. So see how now it stands up? That is exactly what you want to do. So just fold it in a way that stands up. Now, after I'm done folding, I'm gonna go ahead and start placing my decorations into that space. I decided to cut the string off of the sign. I just didn't think the string was necessary, so I'm just cutting that off. I realized as I went along that that sign was not gonna stand up because that paper wasn't heavy enough to hold up no sign. No, it wasn't. Not sure what I was thinking, but well, yep, it's gonna keep falling, girl. I don't know why you think you can. Nope, that ain't gonna that's not gonna work either. I ended up having to grab one of my candles and putting the sign in front of a candle, and that was able to keep it up just fine. Now I'm just situating my product. In this case, of course, it's New Flame Candle Co. candles. There goes a little promotion for you guys. And I'm probably going to take a few more minutes and just adjust a few things. You guys don't see it, but I did end up moving the sign. I realized that the follow your heart part was cut out. So before I took my pictures, I did actually catch that. So now I am just taking those little hearts and scattering them about. No particular rhyme or reason to how I'm throwing them. I'm just spreading them all over the front. Okay, now it's time for these doggone LED lights that gave me such a struggle. I thought I really needed the screwdriver to get them open, but turns out you can kind of just push open the flap and get the batteries in. So I'm just laying those loosely around the candles. Last little minute touch-ups, a little bit more scatter, and here we go. And this is how the pictures ended up coming out. This is after I edited. This is after they got some edit with my iPhone 11. I just played with some of the different filters that the iPhone 11 has, and I am very pleased with this product. So please don't forget, you don't have to just use this for things you're selling. If you are a collector, you can use this. If you are a food blogger, you can use this same situation to take pictures of your food. without having to worry about pictures of the sink or pictures of other stuff getting in your background. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to tune in on Instagram on Friday the 15th when we announce our giveaway winner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.